friends, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is effects of feedback on sensitivity. Let's define the sensitivity. It is a measure of the effectiveness of feedback in reducing the influence of parameter variations on system performance. Here feedback is used to reduce the sensitivity of the system for different parameter variations. So if I consider the open loop control system, we already discussed the differences of open loop control system and closed loop control system. In that, due to any parameter variations, the output is changed. That output does not affect the input. That means here for any due to the parameter variation, there is a variation or there is a change in the output, means the system is sensitive to parameter variation. Coming to the closed loop control system, here also if there is any variation in the parameter or parameter variation, then the output is also changed. But by connecting a feedback, through this feedback, the feedback is always comparing the output and input. So by this we can say, due to this feedback, the output is less sensitive to parameter variations. That means, so by using this feedback, the system is less sensitive to parameter variations. By observing these two, we conclude that a good control system is less sensitive to parameter variations but sensitive to input command to improve the system performance. The effect of feedback on sensitivity can be easily studied by finding the sensitivity of the output to parameter variations. So we will see the mathematically. Here the term sensitivity of a variable with respect to a parameter is defined as, okay. So here I am considering parameter as y, variable as x. So the sensitivity of a variable with respect to parameter. Here I am writing sensitivity as denoting with s and parameter as y, variable as x. Then the sensitivity equals to percentage change in x by percentage change in y. Here if we write the percentage change like as dou x by x and percentage change in parameter as y, dou y by y. Now it will be dou x by dou y into y by x. This is the general format of the sensitivity. Now we will discuss about the sensitivity of the open loop control system and closed loop control system. We already said that the effect of sensitivity can be calculated easily by calculating the sensitivity of the output to parameter variations. Here I am considering open loop control system. Here I am considering the sensitivity of overall transfer function for a small change in forward path transfer function g of s. So let's start. The transfer function of open loop control system equals to c of s by r of s equals to g of s. So here output is nothing but the c of s. From this, transfer function equals to c of s equals to r of s into g of s. Have to write the sensitivity formula. We denote the sensitivity as s. What is the parameter here? Here the parameter is forward path gain g and the variable is overall transfer function. Here the overall transfer function is denoted with t and the forward path gain is indicated with g. So that's why I am writing as parameter as g and variable as t. compare this with the general format sensitivity. If I write here percentage change in transfer function, overall transfer function, to percentage change in forward path transfer function, g of s, it has, considering it as t, it has g. Okay, so let's write it in partial fractions, nothing but the change in overall transfer function as dou t by t divided by dou g by g. So it can rewrite as dou t by dou g into g by t. Dou t equals to dou g means if we consider the transfer function equals to C of s by R of s equals to g of s, means this is nothing but the overall transfer function of the system. This is for open loop control system. If I consider forward path gain of open loop control system also, that is also equals to g of s. So that's why I have submitted in forward path gain g of s, and for transfer function also it is equals to g of s. That's why also I submitted in the place of dou t, dou g. Here also transfer function is nothing but equals to the forward path gain g. So that's why here also I have submitted g. So for open loop control system, sensitivity of overall transfer function for a small change in forward path gain transfer function is equals to the 1. Let's apply the same case for the closed loop control system. Write the sensitivity for closed loop control system. Sensitivity is denoted with S, and here the parameter is again the forward path transfer function g, and the overall transfer function is a variable sgt equals to dou g by percentage change in overall transfer function by t divided by dou g by g. We can write it as dou t by dou g into g by t. We know that t is nothing but overall transfer function g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Substitute in this t. sgt equals to dou by dou g of g by 1 plus g into h into g by t. So this is in the form of u by v. Dou u by dou v. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. This is the formula for u by v. So here g is nothing but u, 1 plus g is gh is nothing but the v. Now apply the u by v formula for this sgt. sgt equals to, here u dash means, you are considering g as u dash means nothing but dou by, we are differentiating with respect to g, dou by dou g of u into v is nothing but 1 plus gh minus u is nothing but g. Here v dash is nothing but 1 plus gh. So we are differentiating with respect to g of 1 plus gh by 1 plus gh whole square into g by t is nothing but g by 1 plus gh. Substitute here, this one is g, okay. Dou g by dou g equals to 1 into the term remains same 1 plus gh minus g. If you calculate this one, dou by dou g of 1 plus gh is nothing but dou by dou g of 1 plus dou by dou g of 1 plus dou by dou g of g into h. Differentiation of any constant is nothing but 0. 0 plus, here h is constant, take it as out. Now dou g by again dou g, it will get cancelled, equals to h. So simply we can write here as h by 1 plus gh whole square into this 1 plus gh goes to the numerator by g. This g get cancelled. Now here minus gh plus gh also get cancelled. Then we will get 1 plus gh by 1 plus gh whole square. One time it will get cancelled. Now we will get the sgt equals to 1 by 1 plus gh. This is for closed loop control system. In open loop control system we get that sgt equals to 1 for open loop control system. This is the case for sensitivity of overall transfer function for a small change in forward path transfer function g of s. By observing these two sensitivity relations of open loop transfer function and closed loop transfer function, that sensitivity is reduced by a factor of 1 plus gh in closed loop control system compared to the open loop control system. So by observing the mathematical calculations, we can conclude that open loop control systems are more sensitive to parameter variation compared to the closed loop control system. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and please comment.